How to install model 510 of the NHN door closer. Number 1. Assembly. Install the main arm according to the direction of door hinges to door closer. According to this, pay attention that adjusting screws of 1 and 2 are always up toward the door hinges. Number 2. Door closer installing. Put the installation template in a proper place with considering weight and dimensions of door, mechanical lock on the door, and the installing place of this type of door closer, which is in 2 mode, and adjust the alignment lines at the top of the door and the hinges axis. Mark the place of screws and perforate them. The location of installation template is the horizontal line corresponding to the top of the door and the vertical line corresponding to hinges axis. In model 510, the door closer can be installed in 2 modes by considering the weight and width of door according to the installation template. Factory default settings are displayed in the table with blue color. Perforate these marked places for installing screws of door closer and the forearm. To apply less or more force closing, pay attention to the installation direction of the adjustable forearms support in accordance with instruction given in the installation template. Then, install the forearm in its place and toward the direction specified in the movie. Now, install the main body of door closer at the specified place with its special screws. And finally, screw the forearm to the right length and attach to the main arm and check the speed of 1 cycle of complete closing course. Number 3. Device adjustment. Lock types. The locks are divided into 2 general categories. At the right side of the figure, the electric locks include electric clasp gate lock, electric rim lock. At the left side of the figure, the mechanical locks also include mechanical rim lock, electric striker lock, mortise mechanical lock. To utilize from model 510 of NHN door closer, please make sure that the lock of the door be only from mechanical lock types such as mechanical rim lock or mortise mechanical lock. Do not use this door closer for the doors with electric locks. Before adjusting the door closer, place the forearm at a 90-degree angle to the frame. Adjusting the speed in the first and second stages is carried out with screws 1 and 2, which is decreased by clockwise rotating and increased with counterclockwise rotating. Number 4. How to close the door. In 2-stage NHN door closers, the closing process includes 2 stages of speed and reduced speed. Note that in mode 2, the maximum angle of opening is 105 degrees. The first stage is from complete opening up to the last 15 degrees, and the second stage is the last 15 degrees.